was going through, I have lots of tablets, syrups, ointments with me, and I was just wondering injections with, and I was wondering how will be the life if we choose, if we betray our food or if we don't choose the food and we choose a lifestyle where medications or ointment or that all stuff take our become daily part of our life. It has become in most of our life, but do you think that it is required? Namaste, I am Poonam Upadhyay and I am a holistic health and diet mentor, and today on that aspect we are going to discuss something and try to find the solution for it. Yes, nowadays mostly people are under some using some or other form of medications in their daily life, and it has become a lifestyle to use it. Maybe sometime a standard to show that how they have spent the life where they have grown to so many lifestyle diseases and infections. But let me tell you, uh, we have two options here to how we can spend our lifetime using all those different pills, medications of different colors. And one interesting, very simple example is using a different variety of fruits, vegetables, cereal, pulses where nature has provided us in wide variety, right? So I'm bringing you this colorful tray of fruits and vegetables which have different varieties of fruits and vegetables, colorful, and it looks very interesting. So if we see, the nature has provided us with ample of variety, as I said, and but it has all the taste which our buds require. So rather than choosing the diet or food, why are we more focused on choosing a lifestyle where medication or medicines are of utmost importance? When we speak about diet, people are very scared, people are very tense, people are become very nervous that why they want to diet when they can live their lifestyle easily, eating what they can eat on regular basis. I want to correct you there that diet is not about restricting yourself to certain amount of food. Diet should be enjoyed, and it should we can eat ample varieties of fruits, vegetables, cereal, pulses which our nature has provided us. But we are running behind the processed food. That is the one reason that we are at the loss. So, uh, choosing a diet or healthy lifestyle is a good option, and not good in terms of only we are investing our money, because I think medicines afterwards give you a long bill instead of it, fruits, vegetables, and they are much cheaper, I feel. But think about investing in your own health. I will not tell that medications are not required. Yes, if there is some emergencies or if there is some problem we are facing, definitely for that duration medicines are must. But after that, we should not get habituate of eating medications or medicines on daily basis. So we should remember that slowly and steadily, whatever lifestyle conditions we are suffering through nowadays. Diabetes has become a capital of India, and there are many other diseases, thyroid, PCOS, which is also become very common. People feel it is normal. It is not. We have to replace medications with diet. This is the raw form of the food which I showed you, but we have cooked form We have raw form also, we have different varieties. We have semi-cooked. So much varieties we have in our life and in our diet. So why not to choose diet? Why are we scared in investing on our health? Why are we scared on investing on diet rather than investing on something which your hospital will be much bigger and we will be at loss? Why we have to understand it before any serious or danger signs we see, so that that process is easier. I hope this was, and this will help you and me to think that what is required nowadays. From now we have to start acting from today onwards, and we have to change our habits and focus more on something which we can easily we have access to. So I hope you are with me, and we are into this journey together, understanding the importance of healthy diet. And of course, if you want to take someone else in this journey, do share with them, and let's go along and change our lifestyle. And at the end, let's create a community which knows the value